Welcome to SHOT Show TV. I'm David Lombardo. If you are in the market for buying firearms, or if you're in a business that buys firearms and you've had problems with your banks, we may have a solution for you. Dusty Wunderlich is CEO of Credova. Could you tell us a little, first of all, there are banks who have had relationships with vendors, for instance, and then just literally overnight cut them short.
Absolutely. Financial services in the shooting sports industry is a real problem, and it creates a lot of uncertainty for entrepreneurs, which is, as entrepreneurs, it's the worst thing you can have as an entrepreneur is uncertainty. And, I think there's emerging entrepreneurs and products coming out, ours one of them, that we're trying to address this demand for good financial services products and that back the industry as well.
So do you deal with consumers or do you deal with businesses that sell or everybody?
Yeah, both. So we look at the businesses, the merchants are who we distribute our products through. And so we'll go to them and say it's a site like Brownells, and we'll integrate into their shopping cart online, or if it's a brick and mortar store with their point of sale financing. So when their consumers check out, they have this payments option through us. So they can take out an installment loan with us to purchase their firearm or ammunition or whatever they'd like.
So as an individual, is it essentially like when you went to a bank to get a loan? I mean, the same sort of numbers involved? I mean, be a little more specific in terms of
Yeah, I would say, so we consider ourselves a financial technology company, and what a lot of financial technology companies are doing is trying to make the customer experience easier. So I'd say, at the fundamental, foundational level, it's still a loan, similar to what you've gone through a bank. But we've made it extremely easy to go through the checkout process, no different than maybe just using a credit card at checkout to get a loan with us, or go onto our mobile app and do it as well. So it's a traditional loan backed by good technology to make it easy for the consumer.
So from a consumer's perspective, what do you look for before you can give them a loan? Are the like credit scores a traditional?
Yeah, so you're seeing with financial technology lenders, you're seeing them look beyond credit scores now. So we'll look at public records data, we'll look at checking account data, things like that. So we're finding different ways to look at consumers' ability to repay us other than just credit score. And we try to do that, so we're not saying no to consumers just because of a credit score. We'll look beyond the credit score as well.
And you don't have any geographic limitations? Anyone in the United States?
We're
do that?
All throughout the United States, yeah.
So how do they find you?
Yeah, they can find us on our website, which is www.credova.com.
Dusty Wunderlich, thank you very much for coming in, and great about Credova. That's in this industry with the gun issue and the banks, that's a big deal.
Yeah,
a really big deal.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For SHOT Show TV, I'm David Lombardo.